Isn't it good when things just work as they should? No hesitation, no thought needed. When you're working at height, the demands on mind and body are amplified. So every step removed, every effort reduced, packs an even bigger punch, helping you be at your best, in total confidence, in total comfort. So each day, in all we do, we make complexity our enemy. We focus on the things that count, on keeping you safe at height, every step of the way. Because when the stakes are at their highest, we believe safe should be simple.